गाइस देयर वाज अ टाइम जब कंपनीज ना प्रमोशन के लिए न्यूज़पेपर्स में एड्स दिया करती थी, पैम्पलेट्स छपवाती थी, टीवीज का यूज करती थी एड्स देने के लिए, रेडियोज में एड्स दिलवाती थी, बड़े बड़े बोर्डिंग्स यूज करती थी किसी भी चीज को प्रमोट करने के लिए। बट आज के टाइम में कंपनीज डजंट वांट टू इन्वेस्ट मोर मनी इनटू ट्रेडिशनल मार्केटिंग because it is like impossible, I mean next to impossible to track users in traditional marketing. So basically traditional marketing का सबसे बड़ा drawback ये है कि इसमें पता नहीं लगता हम लोगों को like कितने लोगों ने आपका ad देखा, कितने लोग उसमें interested हैं, ये सब analyze करने में ना traditional marketing में थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है. On the other hand, like you can track all of these data at cheaper cost. Like आज के टाइम पे every one of us uses social media, right? हम लोग अपना काफी समय इंस्टाग्राम पर रील्स देखने में बिता देते हैं, यूट्यूब पर वीडियोस देखने में लगाते हैं, एंड दैट्स द मेन रीजन व्हाई मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज प्रमोट देयर प्रोडक्ट्स ऑन डिफरेंट सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स. बेसिकली यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस से पहले जो एक 5 सेकंड का एड चलता है ना, दैट्स आल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दीज डिजिटल मार्केटिंग्स के कुछ ना 3-4 इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स हैं, जैसे SEO, सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, SMM, social media marketing, PPC, pay per click and content marketing. So let's start with SEO first. Okay, so जो भी हम Google पे सर्च करते हैं, जैसे restaurants near me और best cafes in India, तो जो टॉप पे लिस्ट आती है ना, that appears because of SEO. Google search algorithm look at many factors, and if your website is following those factors, then Google will definitely rank your website higher. And you can generate maximum organic traffic on your website from SEO. Moving on to the another important part of digital marketing, which is SMM, social media marketing. Okay, so we all spend our maximum time on the social media, right? Watching different reels and shorts. And basically for brands, Instagram and Facebook and even YouTube are the best way to connect with the customers as they create creative ads and different videos to get more sales. Now let's talk about the another important skill, which is also known as PPC, pay per click. As the name suggests, in pay per click, brands get paid for every click on their advertisement. Basically, PPC is a sponsored type of ad. So while scrolling Facebook and Instagram, the ads and the sponsored videos you see are because of the PPC only. Moving on to the another important factor, which is content marketing. So guys, as the name suggests, marketing using content is known as content marketing. It is about creating and distributing engaging, relevant and valuable content to the public. Basically, we all know that content is the king right now. And companies and different brands are using creative email marketing strategies and content marketing strategies to sell their products and brands. Basically, blogs, emails, podcasts, videos, ebooks are the part of content marketing. Now it's the time for the most important question, how to make money using digital marketing. As a freelancer, you can make a good amount of salary. You can offer different digital marketing services and earn a handsome amount of salary from it. From managing social media management to content creation, there are many opportunities just for you. And you know the best part? You can work from home or even from your favorite destination, as you have the flexibility to work on your terms. Also, you can work with the agencies. Right? Digital marketing agencies are always looking for a skilled professional. And yes, by joining different type of agencies, you'll gain and work on different type of projects and gain some good amount of experience. And yes, with digital marketing, you can even start your own business and start your own digital marketing agency. So that's it for the video. Until then, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Happy learning!